are you wondering if the new Samsung Galaxy A15 has a headphone jack? Then yep, it does have a headphone jack at the bottom here, and it's also in a very good position. So yes, it's kind of cool that these budget phones still have headphone jack. By the way, the only problem with the A15 is it only has one speaker here when you compare to the a bit better A25 that has dual speakers. When we check out some music, it still sounds pretty decent. And the volume is still good. Maybe if you turned on the music all the way, you can maybe start hear some distortion, but still fairly good. The only problem is when you are playing, for example, games or watching some movies, and when you basically hold your phone like this, you tend to cover actually the speaker, and it sounds really muffled, basically. You see, you can easily cover it, and the sound pretty much disappears. That's really the only negative with this phone. Apart from that, it has a headphone jack. You can obviously use wireless headphones as well with it, and the sound quality is decent enough. Only sometimes you cover it, the sound isn't that good. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!